Welcome to Mongolia, the land of untamed beauty, where the spirit of adventure is alive and well. Just the name sounds wild and free, evoking images of endless horizons and untamed beauty. This massive country is a hidden gem, a place where adventurers can truly escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. In its vast, open spaces, you can find solitude and serenity. Imagine vast, open spaces untouched by modern life. The air is crisp and clean, the skies are a brilliant blue, and the landscapes stretch out in every direction, inviting you to explore. Picture rolling hills that seem to go on forever, towering mountains that challenge even the most seasoned climbers, and deserts stretching as far as the eye can see, their sands shifting with the winds. This is Mongolia, a land where nature reigns supreme. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the modern world and reconnect with the earth. Many people haven't even heard of Mongolia, let alone considered it as a travel destination. But those who do are in for a treat. Even fewer have experienced its magic firsthand. The awe-inspiring landscapes, the rich cultural heritage, and the warm hospitality of its people make Mongolia a truly unique destination. But for those who dare to explore, Mongolia offers a journey unlike any other. It's a land of adventure, where every turn reveals a new and breathtaking vista. It's a chance to connect with nature on a primal level, to feel the thrill of the unknown, and to discover a world untouched by time. Here, you can camp under a sky full of stars, hike through pristine wilderness, and experience the raw beauty of nature in its purest form. Are you ready for an adventure? Mongolia awaits with its untamed beauty and endless possibilities. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature lover, or simply someone looking to escape the ordinary, Mongolia has something to offer. So pack your bags, lace up your boots, and get ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime. The land of untamed beauty is calling, and it's time to answer. As you travel through Mongolia, you'll also have the opportunity to immerse yourself in its rich cultural heritage. Stay in traditional yurts, experience the nomadic way of life, and learn about the customs and traditions that have been passed down through generations. Participate in local festivals, savor the unique flavors of Mongolian cuisine, and connect with the warm and welcoming people who call this land home. Every moment in Mongolia is a chance to create lasting memories and forge a deeper connection with the world around you. And let's not forget the incredible wildlife that roams these lands. From the elusive snow leopard to the majestic wild horses, Mongolia is home to a diverse array of animals that thrive in its rugged landscapes. Wildlife enthusiasts will find plenty to marvel at as they explore this untamed wilderness. For those seeking a truly unique experience, consider exploring Mongolia on horseback. Riding through the vast steppes and mountains on horseback offers a perspective like no other, allowing you to cover more ground and see the country in a way that few others do. At the end of the day, gather around a campfire with fellow travelers, sharing stories and experiences under the starlit sky. It's moments like these that make a trip to Mongolia truly unforgettable. As the sun rises over the Mongolian landscape, you'll wake up to a new day filled with endless possibilities. The adventure never ends in this land of untamed beauty. So, are you ready to answer Mongolia's call? The land of untamed beauty awaits, ready to offer you an adventure of a lifetime. Embrace the wild, embrace the unknown, and let Mongolia's magic captivate your soul. Get ready to discover the undiscovered. But before our adventures, my fellow travelers, imagine being the first to see our new videos, gaining exclusive access to behind-the-scenes content, and shaping what we create. Your voice is not just important, it's crucial to us. As a channel member, you'll have the power to influence our future content, making you an integral part of our tight-knit community. Click the join button below to experience these benefits. And remember to click the subscribe button in the lower right corner of this video to support our channel. Your support is everything to us, and we deeply value it. Imagine a sea, but instead of water, there's grass. Endless waves of green stretching as far as the eye can see, moving gently with the wind. This is a place where the horizon seems to merge with the sky, creating a seamless blend of earth and air. That's the Mongolian steppe, a vast grassland that seems to go on forever. It's a landscape that has remained largely unchanged for thousands of years, offering a glimpse into a world that feels both timeless and boundless. The steppe is not just a geographical feature, it's a living, breathing entity that has shaped the culture and history of Mongolia. The steppe is the heart of Mongolia, a place of endless skies and gentle breezes. Here, the air is crisp and clean, and the vast open spaces give you a sense of freedom that's hard to find anywhere else. The sky above is a brilliant blue, often dotted with fluffy white clouds that cast fleeting shadows on the ground below. Here, the land stretches out before you, painted in shades of green and gold. The grasses change color with the seasons, creating a dynamic and ever-changing tapestry. In the spring and summer, the steppe is a vibrant green, while in the fall it transforms into a rich golden hue. This natural beauty is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the ecosystem. You can almost feel the history in the air, the whispers of ancient nomads who roamed these lands for centuries. The Mongolian steppe has been home to nomadic tribes for thousands of years, and their presence is still felt today. You might come across historical ruins or artifacts that tell the story of a people who lived in harmony with the land, moving with the seasons and following the rhythms of nature. Keep your eyes peeled for tiny wildflowers dotting the landscape, adding splashes of color to this breathtaking scene. These delicate blooms are a reminder of the hidden beauty that lies within the vast expanse of the steppe. Each flower is a small miracle, thriving in a harsh environment and adding to the rich tapestry of life that makes the Mongolian steppe so unique. And let's not forget the wildlife. The steppe is home to a variety of animals, from the majestic wild horses that gallop across the plains to the elusive marmots that peek out from their burrows. These creatures are an integral part of the ecosystem, each playing a role in the delicate balance of life on the steppe. As the day comes to an end, the steppe is bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. The sky is painted in hues of orange and pink, creating a breathtaking backdrop for the grasslands below. It's a moment of tranquility and beauty, a perfect end to a day spent exploring one of the most unique landscapes on Earth. Mongolia isn't all flat grasslands. Get ready to be amazed by its towering mountains. The Altai Mountains, stretching across the western part of the country, are a sight to behold. Imagine trekking through lush valleys, crystal clear streams gurgling beside you. As you climb higher, the air gets crisp and cool, and the views become even more spectacular. You might even spot a soaring eagle, its wings catching the sunlight against the bright blue sky. Think deserts are just sand? Think again. The Gobi Desert, covering southern Mongolia, is a land of surprises. Yes, there are towering sand dunes sculpted by the wind into incredible shapes. But look closer. You'll find hidden canyons, rocky outcrops, and even oases where life flourishes. The Gobi is a place of stark beauty, where you can feel the power of nature all around you. Listen carefully, and you might even hear the whisper of the wind telling stories of the past. Wild encounters meeting Mongolia's amazing animals. Mongolia, a land of vast wilderness and untamed beauty, is home to some of the most incredible wildlife on the planet. From the sweeping steppes to the rugged mountains, this country offers a unique opportunity to witness nature in its purest form. Mongolia is teeming with wildlife, both big and small. The diversity of species here is truly remarkable, ranging from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals. Each animal plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance of nature. Keep your eyes peeled for grazing herds of wild horses, their manes flowing in the wind as they gallop across the steppe. These majestic creatures, known as Przewalski's horses, are the last remaining wild horse species in the world. Once on the brink of extinction, they have made a remarkable comeback thanks to dedicated conservation efforts. You might even spot a rare snow leopard, camouflaged against the rocky mountain slopes. These elusive big cats are masters of stealth, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. With fewer than 4,000 individuals left in the wild, seeing a snow leopard is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Don't forget to look up. The skies above Mongolia are just as alive with wildlife as the land below. The skies are filled with birds of prey, soaring effortlessly on the thermals. These raptors are expert hunters, using their keen eyesight to spot prey from great distances. Watching them glide gracefully through the air is a mesmerizing sight. From golden eagles to saker falcons, these magnificent creatures are a sight to behold. The golden eagle, with its impressive wingspan and powerful build, is a symbol of strength and freedom. The saker falcon, on the other hand, is known for its incredible speed and agility, making it one of the most formidable hunters in the avian world. And if you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of a herd of Bactrian camels, their two humps silhouetted against the setting sun. These hardy animals are perfectly adapted to the harsh conditions of the Gobi Desert, able to survive for long periods without water. Their presence is a testament to the resilience of life in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. The relationship between the people of Mongolia and their animals is deeply intertwined. Nomadic herders have roamed these lands for centuries, living in harmony with nature. Their traditional way of life, centered around livestock such as sheep, goats, and yaks, is a vital part of Mongolia's cultural heritage. For the children growing up in these nomadic communities, animals are more than just a source of livelihood. They are companions, playmates, and teachers, instilling a deep respect for the natural world from a young age. This connection to nature is something that is passed down through generations, ensuring that the bond between humans and animals remains strong. As you explore Mongolia's diverse landscapes, from the arid deserts to the lush river valleys, you'll come to appreciate the incredible biodiversity that this country has to offer. Each region has its own unique set of species, adapted to thrive in their specific environments. This rich tapestry of life is what makes Mongolia such a fascinating destination for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. So, whether you're trekking through the mountains in search of snow leopards, watching wild horses gallop across the steppe, or simply enjoying the tranquility of a sunset over the Gobi Desert, Mongolia's amazing animals are sure to leave a lasting impression. This is a place where the wild still reigns supreme, and every encounter with its inhabitants is a reminder of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. For centuries, nomadic people have roamed the vast landscapes of Mongolia. Their way of life is deeply connected to nature, and their traditions are fascinating. Imagine staying in a traditional ger, a round felt tent that's been the nomad's home for generations. You might even get to try some traditional Mongolian food, like hearty stews and delicious dumplings. Sharing stories around a crackling fire with a nomadic family is an experience you'll never forget. What better way to explore Mongolia than on horseback? Horses are an integral part of Mongolian culture, and riding through the countryside is like stepping back in time. Feel the wind in your hair as you gallop across the steppe, just like the nomads have done for centuries. The rhythm of the horse's hooves will lull you into a peaceful state, allowing you to truly appreciate the beauty of your surroundings. Mongolia's wilderness is fragile. It's important to explore this beautiful country responsibly, leaving no trace of your presence. Always stick to designated trails and avoid disturbing the wildlife. Remember, we are visitors in this pristine environment. Let's work together to keep Mongolia wild and free for generations to come. By respecting nature, we ensure that its beauty and wonder will continue to inspire us. In conclusion, Mongolia is calling. Are you ready to answer the call of the wild? This incredible country offers a chance to escape the ordinary and experience something truly extraordinary. Pack your sense of adventure, an open mind, and a love for nature. Mongolia awaits, ready to share its secrets with those who dare to explore its untamed beauty. Will you be one of them? If you enjoyed this video, we encourage you to hit the subscribe button and join our large community. You'll be the first to know about our latest travel adventures and tips by subscribing. Your experiences are not just valuable, they're what make our community unique. Your unique travel experiences are a treasure trove of knowledge for other travelers, influencing their journeys and enriching their experiences. We deeply respect the importance of your experiences and their value to our community. They are what make us who we are. Your experiences matter. They are the heart of our community. We want to encourage you to share them in the comments below. Your experiences are not just valuable, they're what make our community unique. Until next time, keep discovering and stay curious. Thank you and see you soon.